Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Miss Chandrima Biswal, standing before you to recite a lovely story. The title of the story is Tortoise and the Bird. Ting tong, it's story time. A tortoise was resting under a tree. A bird had built its nest on that tree. A tortoise looked up and told the bird, "What a fine home you have! It is one of our broken twins. It has no eyes and looks ugly. Above all, you had to build it yourself. I think my house, which is myself, is much better than your pitiful nest." The bird replied, "Yes, my house may be made of broken twins, looks ugly and weak, but I built it on my own. It is my house. I love it. I think more jealous of myself," said the tortoise. The bird happily replied, "My house has rest for my family and friends, whereas yourself cannot have anyone except you. Maybe you have a better house, but I have a better home." The moral of the story: a crowded house is better than a lonely house.